can't punch a people. You just need ear. So, here we go. We pass some gas stations, see? And the pretty pump them, none of them now work. So we reach the one here now, and then look on the pump and I said, that hole it now work. And it turned out fair.
Alright.
How do I want to use again?
That's first, plus our takeaway. Plus.
Plus.
Let's change that tire then.
Soda here.
Yeah. I just pass like visiting and going out there because I peer waiting there. Line me see out there some people in some big bar. Ministry I feel go down the one day based on information received and to do a sting operation, find him in the company of the patients in the garden or the farm, planting banana and things, and everybody have about 4 pounds of ganja smoke. Some all that's building spliff in a newspaper, including Dr. Hagrayers. Would you believe me, sir? No, him and the whole of the madman them did a bun spliff together.
So that not tell them something.
But guess what now? Yeah. 2 weeks later, he was the head of a mental institution in London.
Okay.
So, alright. Yeah, so you work with the okay. So when them used to like, oh, so when them dep on break and stuff. Like see that one on the back and So tell me, what difference of this and the cane shop when you see package the workers that used to jump up on the build. This works here like the other
Yeah.
Okay. Because this was the original cane guard when they jump on before them have chop. Yeah, man. What the hell name? Ken. Ken. Blessings and thanks.
Thank you.
You see the man in blue and stuff? Come over here so I'll show you something. The two bench them on the side. Back in the day, I saw the cane worker them with them bill and then it was black like tar. Jump up in the morning time and the thing dry them go around. Them evolved to what they call a cane shock. Where it used to pass like 4 o'clock in the morning and the workers them come out, come cut the cane and stuff. But it's a tradition we live on. Where's about cane shells? You want bun cane? Not do it, then I hit you eat every day and sugar. Not do it and just burn it for burn off the parasites and sun and so. You want it? That a dirty me up though. Huh? Okay. Alright, come to Toniann. You have my bar. Alright, Toniann, this is the original TNT. This is way you just see the man them wait a man time, say chop, say right, and jump up pan the cane car, come and feel come cut the cane. You understand? And then the man them carry the little carrier and the shed pan. And the tradition are the same thing, I'm not sure. No, I'm gonna what's this? Oh, you want PC now? Boss, PFP. Your skill out with the builder. And don't talk to me left hand enough. Because he cut too cut. I wish I talk about Toniann. Yeah. So this was originally the transportation. The carrier. Crane workers. Feel and it is also the shelter. If rain a fall. And them lunch room when lunchtime right now. So see some man underneath it, some man inside, some man side eye. I enjoy the shade as best as them.